In a recent video, I bought this BMW 435D from a subscriber to the channel, paid £10,200 for it, not bad at all. And in today's video, we're going to be transforming the car. We're going to be doing visual stuff, we're going to be doing stuff under the bonnet, and just making the car wonderful. Right, so the BMW 435D X-Drive, I've been wanting to get one of these for a long time. I think they're a wicked car. This particular car has done 123,000 miles, so it's a high mileage car. When I bought it, I did notice a few things wrong with it. The boot lid has had paint, man. It's definitely had something on the rear, innit? The rear's looking a bit...
Definitely, yeah.
Looking a bit rough. That needs sorting out. The 435D badge is missing off the back. The X-Drive badge is missing off the back. I think we've actually got them inside, so we could maybe reuse them, but if not, we'll buy some new ones. It's already been lowered, which I think is really cool. It's already been tuned as well. These wheels, they need refurbing, yeah? They're a mess, but they're a lovely set of wheels. So I think what we're gonna do is, I like the whole silver and black color theme, so I think we need to get the wheels done in black and cut rather than gray and cut. I think that'll suit the car better. We're gonna get an M Performance kit for it as well. It's got the M Performance side stickers on the side seals there, which I think look really good. Anything else to report? 63 plate. One thing I am certain about is it's going to really transform this car. It's what this car needs, because on the interior, this car's got amazing spec. It's got heated seats, it's got a reverse camera. It's also got some sort of carbon touches on the inside, which I think look really nice. And it's even got the M Performance badge on the dash. And we will do draggy times in this video as well, a lot to cram in. I think what we need to do first is get it to RRT, get the wheels done, let it unfold from there. We need to get wheel spacers, body kit, mechanical. There's a lot to do. Let's just get on it.
So we got the car to VRS and there wasn't much here to film at all. They simply serviced the car, put wheel spacers on, and then we fitted the wheels after having them refurbed at RRT. Here's a shot of the wheels before and a shot of them after with the wheel spacers on, which I think suits the car perfectly. Now let's get it to A to Z in Milton Keynes to get it wrapped. So because we're trying to achieve a fake BMW M4 look, the colour I decided to go for was BMW's Lime Rock Grey as seen on M4 CS models. The process to wrapping the car is of course prep work, then wrap, and it's starting to look good already. We also fit some M4 mirrors and get the roof wrapped in gloss carbon fibre. Now before we reveal the final look entirely, let's get it to EAG Specialist Cars to get the M Performance kit fitted.
Right, so we are currently at EAG Specialist Cars in, where are we? St Neots. We're in St Neots. It's about an hour away from Milton Keynes. In here, we've got George, the wonderful George. How you doing? He does all the stuff here at EAG. We've got the 4 Series on the ramp. It's looking incredible since we've had it wrapped. Obviously the lime rock grey colour with all the black touches, but it needs an M Performance kit, doesn't it? So here we've got, what we've got here, George, we've got a front splitter.
Yep, M Performance style black splitter, and again, sort of M Performance style gloss black front rear spoiler, and diffuser, side skirts to go with it.
Perfect.
Should change it up, shouldn't it?
And we've also got something else, yeah? I've just done a little deal with Richard. Shout out to EAG. See these wheels here? I wanted a set of these wheels for the car. I put a little thing on my Instagram yesterday and I thought, hold on, I'm coming to EAG today, so I'll see if they've got a spare set. Turns out they have, and we're going to be putting them on today as well, so let's get on it. They see me rolling. So that is it, the M Performance kit is now on. The car is looking incredible, isn't it? Isn't it looking so good? So obviously when it came in, it had the M Performance side stickers on it. It's got the M Performance dash as well, which looks pretty cool. It was already quite a good looking car, but we had the wheels refurbed, we've had it wrapped, had the mirrors put on. I didn't mention as well that we had the roof wrapped in carbon, which is like a glossy carbon. I'm not a big fan. I'm saying I'm not a big fan of carbon wrap. I am a fan of carbon wrap, but obviously it'd be better if it was real carbon, but it can't be, can it? It could be, it costs a lot of money. But either way, I think that looks really good. It's better than having a body coloured roof anyway. We've got the hashtag on it, stickers in the same colour as the car as well. Black badges, have I even mentioned the black badges? We bought 435D X-Drive badges. We've got the spoiler, the rear diffuser. Something else I didn't mention is we actually had the headlights and the rear lights tinted. I just thought they looked a bit silver, the headlights. And yeah, the rear lights, that was an absolute no-brainer. They look wonderful. And whilst we were here, I was like, Richard, you got any number plates? And we've also had a nice fresh set of EAG Specialist Cars number plates put on. But yeah, all in all, I am super pleased with the car.
We've sort of fast forwarded a couple of days and we're about to do draggy times. Well, whilst that's loading up, it's doing its thing now. Let's quickly talk about when we bought this car. So when I bought this car initially off of Adam, the trade seller, I think I paid 10.5 grand for it, didn't I? Bargain, mate. 123,000 miles, I think, at the time. It's now done 125,000 miles because I use it all the time. I absolutely love this car. And when I bought it, I did do a car vertical check, of course, because lots of people that win these cars, they want to know if they're all clear in the background. Some of them we do buy categorised, like the Hyundai i30N, for example. But this car, as you can see, when I bought it, you can see the nice clear check. Everything looks wonderful, and that is why I say to every single one of you in as many videos as I possibly can that you must do your car vertical checks to make sure that the car you're about to buy or the car that you currently own is completely clear. And if it's not, well, it does affect the value. So what I've kindly done is I've linked car vertical in the description below, and I've got you a nice little code. The code is CCD, and if you use my code CCD, you'll get a little discount on your car check, and just make sure you do it as well, right? So if you support car vertical, they support the channel, and then by you doing that, it's like a little love triangle between you, me, and car vertical. Yeah, do it, it's important, and it offers you value as well, right? So I will show you an example of a crashed BMW 435D or 4 Series. There you go. Yeah, that's not what you want to see when you're doing a car vertical check, all right? So make sure you do your checks. Right, the draggy box is now ready. Let's quickly talk about the performance of a BMW 435D. I did do draggy times on a stock convertible car a little while ago, a couple of years ago, in fact. I think I've done 20 to 70 mile an hour in 5.71 seconds, right? So it's a pretty good time. In fact, a really good time. And this car, by the way, we believe it's been tuned. We've not actually had it dynoed, so I don't know for a fact that it's been tuned, but trust me, it's quick, yeah? Part of the reason why I absolutely love driving it is because of how well it performs. A stock car is about 310 brake horsepower. A tuned car should be about 400 brake horsepower. 470 pounds-feet of torque for a stock car, about 570 pounds-feet of torque for a tuned car, right? So 5.71 is kind of the benchmark. We want to beat that, but by how much, I don't know. We're about to find out, and we'll just wait for these cars to go, and yeah, we'll see where it lands on the draggy leaderboard, right? In fact, I think that's my cue to go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Out the lay-by, off we go. 5.71 to beat. This car is, mate, look how effortless that was. Oh wow, one run we've done. We always do 3 runs as well. That's tradition on the channel here. We do 3 runs because every car deserves 3 chances. But run number 1, we just done 20 to 70 mile an hour in. So bear in mind the benchmark was 5.71. We just done it in 4.54. And we have another lay-by. So let's do 2 more runs. I'll come back to you shortly and let you know which one the quickest of the lot was. But do you know what, even if we don't beat that, I'm well happy. That's amazing. Right, so we did do 3 runs in total. The first run, as I think I probably already told you, we've done 20 to 70 mile an hour in 4.54 seconds verified, yeah? That is an incredible time. Then I've done a second run, and the second run, I noticed traction control sort of kicking in, and we've done it in 5.01 seconds on the second run, right? So that's not as quick. And then the third and final run, I turned the traction control off, put it in Sport Plus mode, done everything I possibly could to give me the best fighting chance to beat 4.54, and we've done 20 to 70 mile an hour in our Stage 1 tuned 435D, yeah? And this proves that this car definitely is 100% tuned in 4.21 seconds. That is incredible. Even to see a 4 in a diesel, that is unbelievable. And if we look at the draggy leaderboard, which I've actually not yet done, an RS3, a 2020 400 brake RS3, done 20 to 70 mile an hour in 4.29 seconds. It's quicker than that. It's quicker than a 2017 manual BMW M2. It's also quicker, or almost as quick as, sorry, a BMW M2 competition in stock form. That is unbelievable. It's faster than an M4 convertible, faster than, oh sorry, that's with a passenger, another M4 convertible, faster than a W204 C63. This is beating some serious cars. This car does in the region of 400 miles to a full tank as well. So you're getting economy, you're getting performance, and when we're done with this, we're going to be getting looks as well. So what we're going to be doing right now is we're going to be heading to overkill performance, because the back box, I want to change it. So we're going to head there now. It's local to us as well, which is perfect. And before I do that, I want to remind you, Car Vertical is linked in the description below. I just saw a car crash on a roundabout. It reminded me again that I need to encourage you lot to do your checks, yeah? Oh my God, there's a crash car. That is terrible. I hope they're all right. That is exactly why you need to do Car Vertical check, guys. Thanks very much to them for sponsoring this video. I'll link them in the description below. let's get to Overkill Performance.
Right people, so the M Performance kit is now complete and the car is looking incredible, man. All them little gloss black touches just look so good, but we still need to do further changes. I've got a box here with something quite interesting in it. Well, I hope it is. I've not opened the box yet. Hopefully it's correct. But basically, there's 2 more things left to do in this video to finalise or complete the 435D. One thing is, the 435i has basically got a single exhaust on either side, right? And I personally think that looks so much better. I don't know why they didn't do it on the 435D. So we've got a 435i M Performance rear diffuser here, and we're currently at Overkill Performance, just outside of Milton Keynes, literally 2 minutes up the road from Bincar. Perfect. And they do custom exhaust. So we're going to be modifying the rear exhaust, the rear section of the exhaust on this car, and we're going to be getting the 435i rear diffuser fitted. And after we've done that, we're going to be fitting the M4 wheels that we bought. We've bought some tyres for them. I'm waiting for Ollie from RRT to deliver them now. So we're going to be doing that before the end of the video as well. All right, so let's get on the ramp and start modifying the exhaust. Right, Kyle, good to meet you, man.
Yeah, no, nice to meet you, Calvin.
So you are Mr. Overkill Performance, yeah?
Yeah, that's me.
And what do you guys do here? Mainly exhaust, I guess?
Yeah, look, we specialise in sort of automotive fabrication. So, you know, we do intercoolers, boost pipes, exhausts and all those type of things, as well as sort of certain engine builds and that we get involved with in a lot of big turbo projects. But predominantly on the side of what I'll be showing you today, that'll be more of our exhaust work.
Cool, and you guys are friends of Will at VRS, aren't you?
Yeah, we've done a few bits with Will, and yeah, we work closely on occasion.
Yeah, he speaks very highly of you. So, yeah, pop down today with a 435D. Is it quite a simple job?
Yes, it should be. It shouldn't be too dramatic. You know, luckily you've got the nice diffuser and everything else to go in. So doing the conversion to make it look the part, you know, match the rest of the car. It's an awesome looking bit of kit. I think that'll really finish it off nicely. Cool.
And this is, so I see you've got the Hyundai 30N up there as well. Have you just done can we have a quick look at that?
Yeah, we can go
just to give us an idea what sort of stuff you guys do, yeah?
Cool, no worries. We can come have a quick squiz.
So here it is. We've actually just given one of these away on Planet of Dreams, and they're super popular, aren't they? People love them.
You know, they're awesome cars. They brought the latest of the hot hatches really into the fore again.
Yeah,
so on one of these, it's a GPF back system, so it's still MOT compliant, everything else. So there's the original GPF, and it's all 3-inch TIG welded stainless steel, you know, all mandrel bends and everything else.
Wow.
So the whole shebang, all sealed up nicely. And this one, it's signing off, but is the fact that it's a valve system.
Okay.
So as you would normally go through there, you've got an OEM integration of a valve. So when you change it from performance to comfort mode, the valve will work in according to that. So, you know, when you want to get out of the village or whatever it is, it can be a nice quiet mode. And when you get on it, the valve will open up and you'll have effectively a straight through system. So it really complements the car nicely. And again, everything integrates with OEM, which is important.
That's brilliant. That is work of art, isn't it? What an amazing job, man.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Should we pull the 435 in?
I think so. Let's get on it.
Let's do it, man. Right, now I did definitely order the right one, but we're about to find out if they sent the right one. So, yeah, obviously this is the final step of the journey, so it's got to be right. It's got to be right. I'm going to open it live on YouTube. Live on YouTube. Pants are hanging out, everything. It's black, which is good. Yes, it's the right one. So it's identical to the one we've got on there. Just a nice slot for a new exhaust pipe on either side. Yeah, look at that. So that's the whole rear section of the exhaust removed now, and the exciting bit, or part of the exciting bit's been done. We've had the diffuser fitted, and it looks bloody amazing. But we need to pick some tips. So look at the wide range of tips that they do. So I'm thinking GTR style. I reckon that'd be pretty cool, wouldn't it? What do you reckon to that? What do you reckon, Amar? No. No? You don't like that? I don't like it. All right. We'll go with Amar's choice. Then what about? Let's go oval. Should we go oval, do you reckon?
I like the black ones.
The black ones, yeah? You don't think oval?
No.
RS6 style, no?
Have they got black ones?
Let's have a little look. Oh, they've got black ovals. You reckon black oval, yeah?
Let's have a look.
Should we let Amar pick? Amar, I think we're gonna have to put them upright if we do that, because that's the only way it's gonna fit in the slot.
Maybe not then.
Maybe not, no? All right. So I'm gonna go for, like, if it was me, because I'm like I like things sort of OEM plus. I reckon maybe something like that. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, look.
Yeah, you
look,
know what? That's better.
looks like it bloody grew there, doesn't it? Yeah, I think we'll go with that, yeah? No way, Ollie's just turned up. Da-da-da. Filming straight on camera, Ollie.
I'm ready.
You got the wheels, yeah? You got the goods. Your hair's grown. I saw you the other day, didn't I? My hair's growing a bit. My barber keeps avoiding cutting the top for whatever reason. He's like, Cal, just keep growing it. Keep growing it. Look at that. Set of M4 wheels. But we've gone for different tyre size because the tyre size on the M4 is a bit wider, yeah?
Yeah.
And that would have been probably rubbed.
I didn't know that. I googled it and I found out. There was a car online.
We actually found a car, or Ollie found a car online, which looked perfect.
It might work.
And we've just basically copied that setup on that car because, yeah, we want our car looking like that. So, yeah.
Let's see if it works.
Sorted. Thanks, Ollie. So that is it, transformation complete. And so I'm going to start from the front of the car. We're going to work our way through it because I'm so pleased with how this car looks now. If you think back to when we originally bought this car, it looked all right, but it just needed a little bit of TLC. I think it had a bit of damage on the boot lids. You know, things are slowly unfolded. We first of all, what did we get done first of all? We first of all got it wrapped at A to Z in Milton Keynes. Big shout out to them. I will link them in the description below in lime rock grey for the however many times I've said that in this video. We then went to EAG Specialist Cars, got the M Performance kit fitted on it. Oh, we got the M4 mirrors, which look really good. We also got the roof wrapped in carbon fibre. M4s have obviously got carbon fibre roofs. It's kind of, you know, we're going with that whole M4 look vibe, yeah? Then we came to Overkill Performance. Did I mention the EAG Specialist Cars? I did. We didn't completely talk about that though. Side skirts, side stickers, rear spoiler, rear diffuser, and a set of number plates as well, and that just made it look wonderful. And then we brought it here to Overkill Performance. We put the exhaust on, which they've done an incredible job. It just looks so neat from the rear now. One exhaust on either side. I'd say some people, non-petrol heads, would look at that and think, mate, why have you gone to all that effort just to get your exhausts apart? Is it worth it? But to us, petrol heads, it is absolutely worth it. And what a wicked car this is. Like, it's a diesel, it's a four-wheel drive, and it looks the part as well. So you've got like the M4-ish looks. I know it ain't got the wide arches like an M4, but it's practical. You actually get 400 miles out of a full tank on this car. I've been using it myself, I know for sure. And we've now also got a set of M4 wheels to finish it off. And we've gone for a different size on the tyres. I don't know if we've mentioned that already. They're 255/35 19s on the rear, for those that are interested, because I think a lot of people watch this and think, I want to get them wheels on my 4 Series. And then on the front, we've gone 225/40 19s, and it's just sitting nice. It's also been lowered. It's on eye-back springs as well, so it's sitting perfect. It's looking good, and it's going to be one of yours on Friday, the 2nd of February at 3 p.m. on Planet of Dreams. You can win it for nothing, providing you're a subscriber of the channel. So make sure you hit subscribe, yeah? Get to the website, get involved. I'm going to be live on the Planet of Dreams Instagram on Friday, the 2nd of February. In the meantime, I'm going to be using it. I'm not going to lie, I'm going to daily drive it. I love driving this car. It's been stage 1 tuned as well, so it drives wicked. It looks the part, and yeah, I just enjoy it. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I think that is everything. I am going to end the video with like a shot of before. This is what it used to look like. Yeah, it looked pretty good. And this is what it looks like now. Should we put them together maybe on screen at the same time? And that way you can sort of soak in and appreciate the wonderful looks. Also, we put some grey hashtag on it stickers on the rear windows, standard stuff on Calvin's Car Diary. Guys, hit like if you like this video, hit subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.